The CEO of the Ford concern, Jim Farley, believes that the price competition between manufacturers of electric cars will soon intensify. He connects this with a significant reduction in the price of green models, writes Electrek. Currently, electric cars are still more expensive than their classmates with internal combustion engines. Moreover, problems with logistics and a shortage of semiconductors, which, however, are characteristic of the entire automotive industry, create a shortage of supply on the market. And the demand is quite high. Therefore, car concerns now have no incentive to present cheap models. However, several brands have recently announced that they are working on electric cars costing approximately $25,000. When they appear, the number of people willing to buy a green car will increase significantly. And the transition of sales to online will reduce the opportunities for the dealer to screw up the price. All these factors together will lead to the fact that manufacturers will try to make a more favorable offer than competitors in order to win the market. Only this pleasant phenomenon for buyers will have to wait. Farley cited the Mustang Mach-E electric crossover as an example. It costs from $45,000 and the battery price is a third of that amount. Therefore, now the car concern does not have the tools to seriously reduce prices. Farley believes the cost of batteries will drop significantly in the future, and Ford is developing a next-generation electric vehicle platform that he believes will significantly lower production costs. The company also intends to reduce costs, in particular, on advertising.